Hello, everyone. My name is Sabora Hudson. I'm a psychology major here at MTSU, and I'm going to be our first presenter for the water crisis in Turkey. So, the first thing we're going to go over is our HTML component of this website, and that's going to be the backbone. So, the first thing we have in our head section is going to be our meta section, and that's going to have our character set and viewport settings. That's just going to determine the responsiveness on mobile devices. And then we're going to have our style sheets linked to our CSS documents. So that's going to be our design component and settings. So below that, we're going to have our bootstrap and custom styles linked down there as well. And that's all going to be in our head section. And then below that, we're going to have our body section. So this is going to be where our bread and butter of our website is going to be. So to start that body section off, we have the header, the first thing that people see when they go to our website, and that's going to be the water crisis in Turkey, as you can see there. Then we're going to have our nice tagline and our navigation links that are each going to take you to a separate HTML web page that are all a part of our larger web page. And below that, we are going to have linked our social media links. So as you all know, when it comes to raising awareness about important things like this, social media is key. So we're going to have that as well. We are also going to have a brief description of what the water crisis in Turkey actually is. And below that, we're going to have some stat boxes that we created. That's going to include what we know, some short statistics, and some beautiful visual aids as backgrounds. Now, to finish off our body section, we're going to have a call to action. So our donate button, which is real, try it out. And then our footer that's going to have our contact information. Now, I'm going to pass it off to my teammate to go over navigation and content layout.
Thanks, Subaru. Hey guys, my name is Hannah Gallagher and I'm currently studying information technology here at MTSU. So let's dive deeper into the content layout of the website. At the top of the page, there's a navigation bar that allows users to quickly jump to different sections of the website. It is styled using a simple list of links all in a row. These links point to about, causes, effect, and solution, which helps users explore the content and hover about these links, which adds a little bit of interactivity. Our main content section is right below the header. We have the brief introduction that explains what the water crisis is in Turkey. Next, we have the About page, where it highlights the factors that contributed to this issue in Turkey. Then we have the Causes page, where there is a 4-column style, which breaks down into the effects and crisis the water crisis has on the citizens and the wildlife of Turkey. This is made possible by Bootstrap's grid system, which helps create a clean and responsive design that adjusts to different screen sizes. We have added some visuals here, like the map that shows regions that are affected by water scarcity. These images are centered with the content to ensure they fit the screen size properly. Finally, there's a call to action section where we have provided 5 organizations that people can donate to. This section is styled with background color to make it stand out and draw attention. Now I will hand it over to Cole, who will explain the CSS styling and design elements we have used to make this website visually appealing.
Thanks, Hannah. My name is Cole Bolton, and my major is Information Systems. Now let's talk about the styling of the website. CSS controls the look and feel of the website, and we used it in our website to ensure it is both visually appealing and functional. We begin by applying the universal style using the asterisk selector, which resets margins, paddings, and box sizing. This is important because different browsers have different styles that might interfere with our layout. The body of the website has a soft gray background color and uses a clean, readable font, Arial, ensuring that the text is easy to read. The header has a background image that showcases the severity of the drought in Turkey. We use the background size function to ensure the image covers the entire header area. The navigation links inside the header area are styled to stand out with a bold white color. This hover effect, which underlines the text when you hover over a link, gives it a nice interactive feel. In the main content section, we've used Bootstrap's grid system to create a flexible layout. This means that the content will automatically adjust to the user's screen size, like this. We've applied some subtle styling to images using max width 100% so they scale properly across devices, ensuring that they are responsive. The CTA section stands out because of its background color. This contrasts nicely with the rest of the content, and we also styled the button in this section to be visually appealing. With the color change when hovered over, this gives a clear visual cue to take action.
Thanks, Cole. Hello, everyone. My name is Stan Washington. I'm a junior studying computer information systems and data science. Now that you've seen the design and structure, let's wrap up by discussing the content of the website and its purpose. The website's primary goal is to inform and raise awareness about Turkey's water crisis. The main content is broken into 5 key parts: the history of, causes of, effects of, and the solutions for the crisis, as well as how to get involved to help out with the crisis. In the first portion, the about, the site discusses a brief background and history of Turkey, along with a summary of the water crisis. The second portion, causes, the site discusses the 4 leading causes and how each of these factors contribute to the ongoing water shortage in the country. These factors are poor water management, the climate change, inefficient agricultural practices, and overpopulation. The third portion, effects. The site discusses the 4 major effects of the water crisis and how they both impact the citizens and wildlife, making it clear that this issue affects everyone, from people who struggle to access clean water to wildlife whose habitats are disappearing due to drying rivers and lakes. These 4 effects are agricultural decline, urban water shortages, environmental degradation, and economic consequences. The fourth portion, solutions. The site presents multiple possible solutions to the water crisis, such as improving water management and promoting sustainable agricultural practices. It also emphasizes the importance of community involvement and collective action. Lastly, get involved. The site encourages visitors to take action and get involved by donating to organizations that are working to resolve the crisis. The call to action section is an essential part of the website because it turns awareness into action, inviting people to help make a true difference. To summarize, the website aims to inform, encourage, and inspire action to combat the water crisis in Turkey. By combining well-structured HTML, attractive CSS design, and impactful content, we hope to have created a website that is both informative and visually appealing. Thank you for your time, and we hope that this site helps raise awareness about the urgent water crisis in Turkey. We encourage you to explore the site, learn more, and take action to make a difference. Thank you.